Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about the YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you request a free sample for your YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to request free samples as a YouTube Shopping affiliate anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you've recently become an affiliate for the YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program, you know that there's a lot of companies that offer free samples, which is pretty cool because you get the product for free, and then also you can do reviews on those products. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your YouTube studio. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my account, and this is my dashboard. Now, in order to go ahead and request free samples from various companies, you're going to click on the Earn button over here on the left. Once you do that, you're going to see another menu here along the top, and you want to click on this button here called Shopping. All right, once you do that, you're going to see various information about your YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program, but you want to go down to this section. It says Explore Affiliate Offers, and you're going to click on the View More button. All right, so here are the different promotions that companies are running in the YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program, but to request a free sample, filter them out right here by clicking on Samples. Okay, so here are the companies that are offering free samples. So let me move myself out of the way. What you're going to do is click on View All here on the top right. Okay, so now you can see all of the companies that are offering free samples. So they're offering it, so you actually have to apply to receive the free sample. So you can go in through and apply for all of these, or just some of them if you want, depending on what your niche is. So these companies will review your information to see if you're going to be a good fit to receive a free sample. So for example, let me go ahead and click on this one right here, Nomad Lane. Okay, so here is their promotion. They're doing free samples August 31st up to October 30th, so 2 more days. So they tell you to express your interest. So again, basically you're applying, and what you're going to do is click right here, Request Sample. Okay, so once you do that, it's going to open up a form. Most of them are a Google form. This one looks like it's through monday.com, but basically you're going to fill this out as an application, and they give you a little bit more information. So for this particular group, they are only accepting applications from US based creators, and they're going to ask you some information. So here they're asking for my name, my email address, country. Of course, they do ask for your YouTube link because they're going to review your channel and make sure it lines up with their brand, how many followers, and then what you are committing to delivering if you do end up getting a sample, and then your address where they would mail the product to you. And then they're also asking if they want to collaborate, or if you want to collaborate with them, or if you're open to that idea. And they're asking for screenshots here as well. So all the applications are going to be a little bit different, but all the applications that I've ever seen definitely ask for your name, your email address, country, YouTube link, so that way they can review before they send out a free sample to you. Because if your channel doesn't really line up with what they're selling, they're probably not going to send you a sample. But it doesn't hurt to send the application, because you never know. Some companies are willing to accept all sorts of different creators. So for example, my YouTube channel is about business, but if I send an application for a chocolate company, probably not going to get approved. But definitely check on this from time to time, because the different types of stores are going to change from time to time. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to request a free sample from various companies to participate in the YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program, that's the easiest way I know how to find them. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.